The answer is yes, and probably more than you realize. Here's what typically happens when a specialist has a thin or neglected online presence. Your GP gives their patient a referral to come see you. The patient looks you up. They find your Google business profile, and it hasn't been updated in 2 years. You've got 40 reviews, and most of them are old, with a few unanswered negative ones sitting near the top. Your website doesn't load fast enough, and it's clearly not optimized for mobile. No recent social media activity. And when they go to ChatGPT or Google Gemini and ask about your practice, the AI gives them like a vague answer and says, don't know much about this practice, but here are a couple other nearby specialists that have really strong online profiles. The patient doesn't end up calling you. They just never call, and you don't even know it happened. This is the most dangerous kind of lost revenue in a specialist practice because it's completely invisible. You never see the patient. You never get the chance to make your case. The referral was made, and the decision happened entirely without your knowledge based on what a patient found about you in 2 minutes on their phone. Now, I want you to multiply that by how many referrals your GPs are making every week. If even 20 or 30% of those referrals are being lost to a competitor because your online presence is not strong enough to get the appointment scheduled, that is a significant number of patients. It's a significant amount of revenue walking out the door silently. And here is the longer term concern. GPs notice when the patients they send do not come back with positive feedback. They notice when referrals seem to disappear. Over time, a weak online presence just doesn't cost you like just individual patients. It erodes the confidence of your referring doctors. So the good news is that this is one of the most fixable problems in a specialist marketing campaign. A stronger Google business profile, a really great review strategy, a website that is fast, sends all its information to the AI, that works on mobile, your social presence that gives a nervous patient enough to feel reassured. These things directly increase the percentage of referrals that turn into scheduled patients. That is the conversion problem that we solve, and it's almost always worth more than the cost of solving it.